Cold brew is everywhere, but what exactly is it and what's with the cost? Whether you're a regular cold brew drinker or considering adding it to your menu, understanding what makes it unique is key. Iced coffee is simply hot brewed coffee poured over ice. Cold brew, however, is made by steeping coarse coffee grounds in cold or room temperature water for a long period, typically 12 to 24 hours. No heat involved. This low and slow process extracts a smoother, less acidic, and often a sweeter, more complex flavor. Now about that price, there are a few factors. Generally, cold brew requires a higher ratio of coffee grounds to water to achieve its signature concentration and flavor. In other words, the amount of cold brew you can get from one bag of beans is significantly less than what you would get if you used it for automatic hot drip coffee. The lengthy steeping process requires dedicated time, takes up space, and needs careful management. From the longer brewing cycle to the filtration process, producing high-quality cold brew can be more labor-intensive. Cold coffees cost more to serve up than hot ones. Plastic cups are often more expensive than paper, more napkins are needed to clean up condensation, and commercial ice itself is pricey. Demand for cold coffee goes up during summer months, so a coffee shop may choose to charge a premium that reflects the demand. So, while cold brew might have a slightly higher price point, the cost reflects the time and resources invested in creating that distinct, refreshing experience. For consumers, it's the smoother taste. For businesses, it's a premium offering with strong appeal. Are you willing to pay more for cold brew? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.